everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked but super important: nipples. Specifically, what to do if you have large or dark nipples. It's a natural part of our bodies that varies from person to person, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. So let's talk about it. First off, let's normalize the conversation about nipples. Just like any other part of our body, nipples come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. There's no one-size-fits-all here. It's completely normal for nipples to be different in size and color, even on the same person. See, diversity is beautiful, and our bodies are uniquely ours. Now, let's understand why some people have larger or darker nipples. Several factors can influence this, including genetics, hormonal changes, and life stages like puberty, pregnancy, or aging. Hormones play a big role here. During puberty and pregnancy, for instance, increased levels of estrogen and progesterone can cause nipples to grow and darken. It's all part of the body's natural changes. We understand that having large or dark nipples can sometimes be a source of insecurity or concern for some people, but remember, it's completely normal. However, if you notice sudden changes in your nipples like unusual discharge or significant pain, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. So, how can you embrace and care for your nipples? First, self-acceptance is key. Understanding that your body is unique and beautiful in its own way is the first step. Additionally, proper skincare can help keep your nipples healthy. Use mild, fragrance-free soaps and moisturizers. Avoid harsh chemicals and tight clothing that can irritate the skin. Next up, let's talk about clothing. Choosing the right bras and tops can make a big difference. Opt for well-fitted bras that offer good support without being too tight. For those who prefer not to wear bras, choosing tops with built-in support can be a great alternative. And remember, confidence comes from within. Wear what makes you feel comfortable and confident. Some people look for natural remedies to lighten the skin around their nipples if they feel it's too dark. Common options include lemon juice, aloe vera, and yogurt. But always patch test first to avoid irritation. For those considering more permanent changes, there are professional options like laser treatments. However, these come with risks and should be thoroughly researched and discussed with a healthcare professional. Finally, let's celebrate diversity. Our bodies are amazing and varied, and that's something to be proud of. Large or dark nipples are just another beautiful variation of human anatomy. Remember, beauty comes in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Embrace yourself, love yourself, and let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Let's continue this important conversation together. See you next time.